Hello and welcome to LEADERBOARD, the daily masterclass for business. Today's theme is personal development, and today's lesson is how to lead a more meaningful life. Part 1. In science, nothing can be taken for granted. Even the most seemingly settled notion is a candidate for further testing and exploration. We are constantly uncovering information that looks at humanity in new ways, helping us all learn to be happier, more compassionate, and more resilient. The following insights are a tribute to the human spirit. They debunk things we thought we knew, like how many human emotions there are. They inject some questions into the popular discussion of mindfulness, which can at times be overenthusiastic, and they open up new horizons. Are you ready to explore what science has discovered? 1. Emotional experiences are an independent kind of wealth. How many different human emotions are there? Psychology once assumed that most of our feelings fall within the categories of happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, fear, and disgust. But a new study published in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences suggests that there are at least 27 different but interlocking emotions. Experiencing a greater variety of emotions, even mixed emotions, may be key to our health and well-being. Rather than pressuring ourselves to feel positive all the time, we can embrace the vivid spectrum of emotional states. 2. Everybody needs a sense of purpose. Parents and educators yearn to help young adults find a sense of direction and purpose in life. We know how important that can be for their future success and happiness. But a recent group of studies suggests that purpose may be just as important to older adults, helping prevent cognitive and physical declines that can accompany aging. Results showed that regardless of education levels or perceptions of their own health, adults at all ages, the elderly included, showed higher cognitive abilities if they had a greater sense of purpose. 3. The impact of mindfulness and meditation is great. During the past 2 decades, more and more scientists have studied mindfulness, a Buddhist-inspired collection of practices aimed at helping us to cultivate moment-to-moment awareness of ourselves and our environment. Their early findings triggered enormous enthusiasm for meditation. Now, a major research review of 142 non-overlapping studies that included 12,005 participants found that mindfulness-based interventions hold promise as evidence-based treatments for psychiatric disorders, although not for everyone or for every condition. So, as we grow, we need to learn more. We need to face new challenges, and we need to become more self-aware. Life is not easy, but it's worth the struggle of the difficult days. A little self-knowledge can go a long way. Think about what you don't know. Think about what you could learn today. And our keywords and phrases are taken for granted, notion, debunk, disgust, spectrum, decline, trigger, disorder, and struggle. Thank you very much for taking time today to go through Leaderboard, the daily masterclass for business. Wherever you are, I wish you a fantastic day.